Fabrice the artist here, sharing an interesting tip with you guys well, who else would be on my page other than Fabrice? So redundant, right? Anyway, I wanted to share an interesting tip with you guys, and no, it's not, how to do your hair, because obviously I don't know anything about that. Um, what I recently discovered, and I guess you guys have been hearing me complain about this forever now, is like how shitty the Instagram quality is when you're uploading a video, particularly a feed post video or an IGTV video. Reels are actually not too bad quality. But how bad it is, like it's so heartbreaking. You put all that effort into a video and it just ends up looking like dog shit. And I just recently tried something new, and it actually really makes a huge difference. And it's posting your IGTV videos and feed post videos from your desktop. Like, one thing I noticed with my Jordan Peterson and all the ones prior to that, like, you put all this work into editing a nice time-lapse video, and I was super pumped about that one. And then I posted it, and I couldn't believe just how bad it was. It was almost like Instagram was like targeting me for making my videos just worse than everyone else. Like, I just couldn't understand it, but I digress. The latest video, however, that I posted of my Walter White time lapse, I posted it from my desktop. And I can't tell you how much, I can tell you, I'm going to tell you right now how much difference it made. And the difference was huge. If you go see the Jordan Peterson one, like even just the intro, like you can almost see the pixelation, and you can't really see any of the detail in a lot of the times. And a lot of the times when I post from my phone on IGTV specifically, the audio is out of sync. Like for my Mike Tyson time lapse that I did last year or last February, it was out of sync, and I actually had to re-edit a new video, and it kept doing this every single time. Like consistently the same parts were out of sync, and I had to edit a new video specifically to post to IGTV so that the timing of the visuals and the music was acceptable. But it was never as good as what my YouTube version was. And the same thing happened with my latest Walter White drawing time-lapse video. There was multiple points in that video where like the beat of the song was timed to like this shift in the visual for a good effect, and it just was off by like half a second, and nothing I could do would fix it. And it happened every single time. So if you guys have been seeing me post videos and then instantly deleting them like 3-4 times in a row, it's because of this. The audio was out of sync, or the video quality was just completely unacceptable. So what I tried doing was uploading the video, specifically the IGTV video and the feed post videos, from my desktop. And honestly, I was like so amazingly surprised at how much quality was retained. Like it's almost hard to tell the difference between the YouTube version and the IGTV version. Like one truly looks like a 720p, and then the other one's like 1080p or 4K. And like that is really impressive for Instagram. So if you're struggling with shitty quality videos that look good in their raw form, and then when you post them to Instagram, it is just heartbreakingly disappointing, give this a try. Upload it to your computer, or if you post from your computer, anyway, then, or edit on your computer anyway, this will actually be easier. Go to Instagram.com, post your IGTV or feed post from your desktop, and it's going to keep the audio in sync, and it's going to retain that quality. It's going to compress it down to 720p on IGTV, but it's not going to compress it down further than that. Okay, so give that a try. Oh, one more thing though, on your desktop, it is a little bit annoying, I guess you could say, to crop the profile picture. So you will have to go on your phone and screenshot a part of the video that you want to put as your thumbnail, and then upload that separate custom image as your cover. Okay? And you can't drag the profile cover preview on the desktop site either. So you're going to have to choose something where your face or whatever you want to be in your feed post square is in the middle, because it's just automatically going to crop what's in the middle and then post that on your feed post preview on your profile on that square. Okay, and if you don't post a feed post preview, then all that last part is completely redundant. Okay, so give that a try. Let me know just how much better that worked for you, or maybe my phone is just friggin' messed up and you guys don't notice that. But hopefully this tip helps you guys. I can't believe that it actually took me over 6 minutes to explain something this simple to you guys, but hopefully it was worth it. Have a great day, guys, and I will see you guys in that next video. Peace.